tutorial. In today's tutorial video is going to be of how to add music or sound effects in Roblox Studio. And for this, before we start, just go to the Google tab here. Just go to Google here. This is not actually in the Roblox Studio. So go to new tab and then just type creator dashboard Roblox. You can just click creator. No, I think that. No, but try this one. You can try this one. But if you already got it here, then just click that one. And once you've opened this page, once you've opened it, just go to Marketplace. This is where we're gonna go next, to Marketplace. Then just click Audio. And then now that we're here we've got some sound effects. Or if you actually don't want some sound effects, just click the music. Sometimes it may show that if there's nothing sometimes. So if that happens, then just refresh this page and then it might open it. This happened about a couple of times with me. But anyway, here we've got some music, and we're now going to search for some music. And once you've found your own music, and nothing down here. Let's try it. That sounds great. Alright, so once you've found your own, let's try Happy Song. And once you've found your own music, just click Get Audio. Because I've got it already, it says Train Student More Info. Well, here it might say Get Audio. And once you've found your own sound effect or video, let's go back to the studio. We're now going back to the studio. And then inside Workspace, click plus, then add in some kind of sound. Not sound group, okay, not sound group, but sound you can. Alright, so now open the toolbox, and then make sure you are in the inventory tab, not the marketplace. So now with the inventory tab, now click back where it says my models, and then click my audio, and then find your own song you want. Just right click on any song you want, just right click on any one you want. Just a minute. Or sometimes if you click on one of these, then a new sound appears from the workspace, so delete that. Just a minute. So now I'm going to right click it many times. Or maybe I'm just going to click that. You can do left click on any kind of song you want if you want. Alright, so let's delete the other sound. Then make sure that your sound is parent is in the workspace, not others. Because otherwise, if the parent is not in the workspace, then it wouldn't work. And here paste your ID here. And then if you want to test it out to make sure if this is the one you want, just click this and listen. Alright, so anyway, let's continue. And for this, to make the sound work, click plus, add in a script, then delete the hello world. So now we're going to say local music equals to script.Parent. And now go down twice, and now we're going to say music play. And then make sure that after the play, we've got some brackets. And that's all for the script. Script should be in the description. And now the last thing to do, if you want, is just like to go on the properties with your own song. And if you want to make the playing, and this, here you can change the volume. Here you can change the time position. And also, if you want to make the music repeating every time, just make sure that the loop is ticked and we're finished. Once we've done that, then let's just click play just to test it to see if anything works. Anyway, and as you see, I'm in the game and now I'm with the music. So guys, I think that's the end of this video. And if you like my channel, please subscribe. And of course, if you like this video, please make sure to give it a like. And this is Pavdi13 leaving. Bye!